Well, good morning, everybody.
Hi, guys.
We are headed to do something we've never done. We are headed to... Did I lock this? No, I didn't lock it. That's good. I'm going to fight the key that way. We got us some snacks from the dollar store. Not a sponsor, but you could be if you want to be. Beautiful day here in Chillicothe, Ohio. We got all loaded up last 2 nights ago, and we got Herbie loaded up. He's a little dirty from setting out last couple nights. We had church last night, so you guys know how that goes. We have church, we stop whatever we're doing. So I can't get in this truck and hold this camera. Are you serious? I'm gonna try. Oh, look at that. Bye, camera. Did y'all hear that? It's the sound of a 6-liter just drinking it up this morning.
Better than mine.
But anyway, we are headed out to the Miller's car show and swap meet this morning. They have it, I think, twice a year, right?
Yeah.
Twice a year. Once in the spring, once in the fall. I can't hold this morning. But anyway, we're headed out to the show. We got a truck bed load of Volkswagen parts that we can't use.
Way too many.
Way too many. Few Dodge Charger parts, along about a 68, 69. Couple things of both. Not much of that. That stuff's expensive. I mean, just like break the wallet. So we just
do it if you got it.
Kept the things we knew like we'd like to keep. Just a few things extra, like some things I had like 3 of. So we went ahead and spared it, and it was like, nah, help somebody else out that has one that can't find it. But anyway, we done that, and so we got a truck bed load of stuff. We're going to see what we can't do at the swap meet. So we got Herbie loaded up. They're having a car show also. See if he can't draw some attention. See if we can't do some good with him again. But you guys stick around here and let's see what kind of treasures we can find today, and if we can get rid of any of this stuff, or if we take home more than what we brought. So, I mean, what's your guess?
We got a trailer.
I got extra straps.
We got more room.
I got tools.
We'll see. Alright, let's go.
Alright. Got to get you in here for this. The gates just opened at 9. It is 27 minutes ago. And this place is screaming packed. I think we might have left at a bad time.
I think we should have left like, I don't know, 4.
4 this morning might have been better off. Golly, I mean the amount of people that's already here. And they're just lined behind us. I think we're in for a good day, guys. Well, we finally got in the back of this place, and I mean to tell you, it was a mess. I don't know if... I mean, guys, there is more cars and vendors than you can shake a stick at. Like, this is just like the very back part of it. This ain't even the busy section up in there. So, we're going to get Herbie all unstrapped and unloaded here so we can get him up to the car show. And then we'll get to emptying. Can't see it, but it's full. Here we go. Jake, what are you doing in there, bud?
Rigging up a throttle cable.
So, you never know what you're going to expect with these old cars. Coming off the trailer, Herbie decided to let the throttle cable go. So about that far into the throttle cable, which shoves it into the channel that it runs in, it decided to break the throttle cable. So we've done a little ratting around in the toolbox, see what we can find to get it rigged up. Never did get to show you guys this, not the test. That was not Herbie, I can promise you that. Even though we do have the dual pipes, that wasn't him. So we didn't end up moving. The flea market is coming to us. This thing's huge, guys. If you guys are ever around halfway close or want to take a trip, I mean, I ain't even got to walk around yet, and I can tell you this swap meet and stuff is where it's at. We've never been. It's only been going on a few years, but is it going to work at all?
I don't know.
Get you guys in here on the other side. Well, it'll work until it don't. So there's the quick repair job we had to do. As you can see, that little tunnel, it broke right inside that tunnel. So give it a whirl, Jake, see if we got throttlage now.
Looks like it.
You want me to run it back at the carburetor until it starts?
Nah. Go back there and see if
It smells flooded. Go ahead and try it. Yeah, it's moving that throttle. Come on, Herb, you know you want to. He don't like to be hauled, and we hauled him. Well,
you run the key, I'll run this.
We'll see what we can do here. There we go. It's hanging. Think that's maybe why it broke. What can we do to help it?
Hey, you got that spring?
Yeah, let me go see if I can find that spring. Not sure if it'll work or not, but here's a brake spring, I think, out of my 69 Charger. We're gonna see if we can. There you go.
I just have to work his way down there.
I figured that would have been a problem. Them breakers were from 1946. All the money.
Yeah, me and Jake's sick right now. Somebody got $5,500 we can borrow? What do you think of that?
If you do, you hand it over. I need it.
Not a sponsor, but you could be. Wow.
I've never seen nothing like it.
So we're told that there's indoor space, buildings are full, there's more cars than you can shake a stick at back that way. You need a carburetor? I think I'd work on the Firebird. V6 model? Oh, we do have a Mopar 440 we got to build.
You need some parts.
So we're out here in the back 40, but I mean, guys, there has got, wait, 500 cars maybe? At least, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. What time is it?
10:45.
10:45. Okay, I'm a little off.
That's still yet.
I mean, just wherever they can find a place.
Yeah, we got to pack.
Square body parts. And guys, set up right beside of us. The guy that's got Firebird. Is that a Charger door? No. Okay. Not that unit. There's stuff, guys. We got hungry.
Snackage.
Snack time.
Munching on some brandage.
All set up here for today. we definitely didn't. We didn't sell anything at all.
Nothing.
Nothing.
But we learned a lot.
Yeah, we
Get here earlier, way earlier, and get a good spot. And yeah, that was a big learning curve right there. But not upset about it. I mean, yeah, we didn't sell anything. That's a bummer. But you know,
You win some, you lose some.
people came by, gave a guy a number for some Volkswagen
We
stuff,
actually
so
wore the same shirts today on accident. Not,
don't know how that happened.
but we are loaded up, empty trailer, ramps are down. We are headed over to see if Herbie done any good since we didn't. So hopefully the little guy done good.
Hopefully.
Don't know. There was a lot
If
of
he didn't
cars.
get a trophy, I'm not upset about. There's a lot of beautiful cars.
High-end cars.
Well deserving cars.
So we're gonna go over and wait. We got about 10 minutes, 12 minutes before they start judging or before they start announcing. So we'll see what we can get for you guys. There we go. Hey Jake, what'd you get?
Check it out.
Top 25?
1988 tractor paint strikes again.
Where's Mike? All right, let's load him up. Well, that was hard starting.
I didn't expect it, honestly. He wants to race. You see this?
I see it. I see
He
it.
don't know who he's messing with.
He don't know what we're capable of. Of course, we might not know what he's capable of either. So guys, we didn't do no good at the swap meet, but Herbie got it done again.
By golly, he got it done again.
Got to keep my finger out of the lens. Watch out for the Pontiac. Big square body. He just about hit that guy. Yeah, I videoed it.
That's the cops may want to.
Look at that Mustang. Mustang. It's clear. Hey, it died. Try again. Back up. Nope, it's good. Just back up. Well, guys.
Hi, guys.
Herbie done it again.
Yeah,
he was
buddy.
loaded up. We gotta get the brakes doing. We'll brake things real good instead of just a little bit. Been windy as crap today.
Herbie is a mess.
It has not been a.
right by a dust bowl.
It wasn't good for a clean car today.
I wouldn't have wanted the black car today, that's for sure.
No. Look at that hot rod.
Oh, goodness, 37. He done bought him some parts, too.
I'd take it.
He's got the right idea. Fix
So-
him with flatbeds, that way when you go to swap meets, you just go ahead and load it up to him.
Just haul it all home. So, another day in the books. Herbie got top 25 today. Where's that plaque? We don't know where the
It's
plaque
in
is.
the
We
car.
loaded everything. Top 25. There
Well,
was
update
two.
you on
How
some
many
videos,
cars
which
was?
is 206 registered.
206 registered cars. Herbie got top 25 pre-1988.
And there was a lot of early cars, guys.
A lot of good cars, guys. You just seen
Very
like that red
blessed.
flatbed.
God has moved in a mighty way.
Here, you want
upon
to take
our
the reins of
lives.
this? You take the camera for a while. I'm gonna drive.
So, God has moved a lot, especially with that.
We gotta.
if you got it. Anyway, he's blessed us in a mighty way. Thing is, here's the thing, guys. I don't care about a trophy. The trophy is my least of my concerns. I'm about the smiles and all the happiness that it brings. It's brought me a lot of happiness just in building the car. I've won a couple I've had the 4 shows now, and every time I've gotten something. And that's not me bragging on what I've done. That's me bragging on what God's done. He showed us how to work on these cars. He gave us the abilities to work on these cars.
And we
This
get to
is all
share our
God.
testimony with people at these events. And that's where it's at.
Yeah.
Anytime you can let your light shine, it's just like Herbie. Everywhere he goes, people love him. He's not the fastest. He's not the most expensive. He don't have anything going for him as far as performance, but he is a good smile maker. That's what we have to be. We got to bring somebody a smile because of the love of God that's in us. There's no more perfect way to be like Jesus except for the way we love. The perfect way, the way that Jesus was even most perfect was the way he loved. That's what we got to do.
Yep. So, we didn't sell parts today. No big
That's
deal.
fine.
Whatever. It is what it is. So if you guys know of any, you need any Volkswagen parts,
Maybe a few Mopar parts.
early
Our
60s,
snacks are falling down.
let me know. I'll hook a guy up. So,
Send it down there in the old comments and we'll get back with you.
So we're going to drive home, and we will, we signing off here, or we got to be back later?
That's.
We're going
You
to sign
think
off.
we're going to do anything else today?
Nah.
Well, I don't know. We don't work till dark 30 anyway.
For this video, we're signing
Guys,
off.
thanks for watching Tet in the Shop. Keep
Yeah.
liking, sharing.
Subscribe, hit the little blue
Subscribing.
the little bell down there, that thing, ding it. Let us know what you want to see. You kind of got an overview of some cars we got here. If there's other stuff you want to see us do, let us know.